Dyma'r bêl hir. Sears! A mae Sears yn sgorio! Gôl wych gan Ryan Sears, ond y dacteg yn un mor syml ag ewch chi. Y bêl hir o'r cefn, ac o'r diwedd, mae Alex Lang a'r Met yn ildio i gôl gynta o'r tymor, a dechreuad da i'r Robinied. Ys y le tennis pen. A dyma Evans, ac yna'r gôl yn cael ei sgorio gan Aaron Williams. Wel, y gwaith caib a rhaw yn cael ei gwneud gan Robbie Evans i groesiad yn berffaith i lwybr Aaron Williams. Tîm Chris Hughes yn dyblu i mantais. 5 munud i fynd. At y postyn pella. A'r peniad i mewn. Hyfryd. Peniad arbennig gan CJ Craven. A maen nhw wedi haneri mantais y Robinied. Met Caerdydd nôl yn y gêm. Wycheli, o dan drwy'n Harry Owen yn clirio. A dyma Sears. Sears yn glir. Sears yn ergydio Alex Lang yn arbed yn ragorol. Wel, Sears yn edrych am ei ail gôl o'r noson tu ôl yr amddiffyn am yr eildro. Ond oedd hi'n arbediad da gan gôl geidwad Met Caerdydd. Owen yn clirio syth at Sears. Sutton nôl at Sears. Sears yn croesi. A dyma Smith! A mae'r arbediad yn dda eto gan Lang. Oedd yr ergyd yn syth ato fe. Ond mi oedd un bygythiol gan Dominic Smith.
Chris, many congratulations. The elusive first win and 3 points has come at last. You must be very relieved.
Yeah, I think there's a mixture of that. Probably a mixture of relief, mixture of being pleased with the performance as well. I thought we looked what I expect of the group. I was critical of them on Tuesday after the game. And we were total opposite tonight. Everything about us was good. So yeah, pleased and look, it's important to get that first 3 points. For us, it's taken us till the 5th game to get them. Not what we wanted to happen, but you know, you could see it meant a lot to the players, and you know, we're off the mark now, and that's a pleasing thing.
Nethon ni cwbl o camgymeriadau a trio wario gormod, ond os ti'n edrych ar yr ail hanner wedyn ni, boys ifanc, ni'n sôn am pobl fel Tom Price ddim yn wario heddi, Cymru Ec, Emlyn Lewis yn mynd off Cymru Ec, Sam Jones Cymru Ec ddim yn wario heddi, Tom Vincent sydd wedi bod yn dechrau i ni, Joe Evans, so ni'n sôn am 45 o boys sy'n wario, a wedyn ni'n boys ifanc yn camu mewn, so bod ni wedi colli heno, maen nhw wedi ennill lot fawr o brofiad, so mae hynny'n positif iawn i ni, a ni'n clwb sydd yn datblygu chwaraewyr, ddim gallu mynd mas na i ôl rhywun yn y transfer window fel petai.
From a player's point of view, it must be a great relief to secure the first 3 points of the season.
Yeah, I think you know, it's been a tough start to the season. That performance tonight was, I think, from the manager's point of view, exactly what we needed. Lads working hard, desire, intensity. You know, we worked harder than them, second balls, you know, doing the basics, getting back to the basics, and I think, yeah, we deserved the win, definitely.
You know, and that's the standard that we need to carry on. Listen, we're not getting carried away and overexcited about, you know, winning our first game of the season and like that. We know that, you know, we've now got to meet up and train well and go into Haverfordwest next Saturday, which will be a completely different game. So, and what we've done tonight will mean nothing next Saturday. So, you know, it's a good start. Well, it's not a good start, sorry, because there's only the 5th game it's taken us to win, but it's a good night for us tonight.
You've made the move from Telford United to Newtown. What was the incentive there?
Listen, I'm a Welsh lad, I'm a Wrexham boy. I've always, you know, I've watched the league, you know, throughout my career. And I just think it was the right time. Obviously, I've spoke to the gaffer a couple of times now, and you know, with my work, my commitments and stuff like that, it just suited me. And yeah, so far, yeah, so good. I'm enjoying it.